So let's quickly point out the major differences between the Doogee S118 Pro and the Doogee S118. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's find out the differences between both rocket beasts. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Do you think that the Doogee S118 Pro is a significant upgrade? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.